We use infusion therapies to treat a variety of syndromes, including migraine headache, acute and chronic pain exacerbation or flares, as well as even more exotic things such as reflex sympathetic dystrophy or RSD, which is now called CRPS, CRIPS, or complex regional pain syndrome.
A few years ago, I had a minor tweak in my low back, so I went into a chiropractor, and he severely damaged my L5-S1 disc, so I had an artificial disc replacement. And the surgery caused me a lot of structural problems, and I was in way more pain after the surgery. Instead of just the localized low back pain, it was radiating pain out my back, into my neck, down my legs. I was going to be kind of leveled out there. I wasn't going to get much better.
The benefits of infusion therapy over meds by mouth is that generally it's much more effective. In fact, it's always more effective. And when we get the right cocktail of drugs for a patient, we actually have a lot better results than meds by mouth because the medications by mouth have a half-life. With infusions, that's still true, but we're using different medications that either prolong half-life or interrupt the pain cycle such that the relief is much greater. So they're not having to take meds all the time.
Dr. Rodrigue has done kind of a wide range of stuff on me. He's done all different kinds of injections, from intraspinous ligament injections, facet joint injections, IV infusion therapy for my spinal-related migraines. Right now, this is definitely the best path, and I could not be happier that I found Dr. Rodrigue.
Laura is one of my favorite patients. She's a lovely young lady who has a lot of different pain problems that are significant. She came in recently and had an infusion of the drug Diprivan, which we know helps people with migraines. And in this case, she had a dramatic response. It was marvelous because she was incapacitated with pain before she rolled in, and she rolled out of the office completely pain-free.
Going to see Dr. Rodrigue was probably the best decision I've ever made. He got me from being non-functional and like never leaving my house to being able to live a somewhat normal life. He's been the most compassionate and helpful doctor that I've actually ever seen. And I've seen a lot of doctors.